Guys, I have 20K to spend. Just got done selling Kawhi Leonard. So here we go. We've got 5 packs to pull right here, right now. Let's go. Alright, my pack luck's gonna change. It's gonna change, I'm telling you. Okay. No. No. Oh, gold, 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 gold. Alright, we have a football. Kyrie! Oh! Oh! Kyrie Irving! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! My God! Dude! Kyrie! Oh! Let's go. Told you luck's gonna change, I'm telling you. Where's my purple? Where's my purple? Alright. No, why does it always...
Apply it to a player. Because you have the max number. Just put it on Kyrie. Just put it on.
Dude, I pulled Kyrie. Oh my God. I am hype. 3rd pack. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's see a purple.
Show me the purple. Show me the money. God. Ah! Trash. I'll take that. Alright, we've got 2 more packs to purchase.
Amethyst.
Dude, I'm feeling the amethyst. I'm da-da-da-da-da-dun. Purple.
Patrick Patterson.
I have Thunder logo. Last pack, which means I'm just gonna flip all. That's my good luck charm. Rick Stevenson, I will take that. Let's go. Decent pack opening right there. Decent. Got Kyrie. Pretty sweet. We're going to see how much he goes for. I'll catch you homeboys later.